We all sit with idle cash, and we tend to allow cash pots to accumulate in areas that are not tax efficient. If you sit in a scenario where you have built up a cash pot that is lying idle in a current account that is earning a minimal interest rate, which is taxed, what's the alternative? You've got to ask yourself, is it efficient? If you look at the Sky Alternative Income Fund or the Sky Diversified Income Fund of Funds, both those funds have tax efficiency at the forefront, highly liquid, and they behave in an extremely conservative manner, very low risk profile. Ideal vehicles to park idle cash and get the tax benefit, optimize your net return after tax.